Welcome to troubleshoot lesson number 2. This is how to get the camera to record the footage directly onto the SD card. So, listen up, here we go. Okay, so assuming that you've just popped the SD card into the A or B port, make sure you slide the door across, or otherwise it will not register that a card has been put into the camera. Now what we need to do, as I've mentioned previously, is get the camera to record onto the SD card and not the hard drive. To do that, simply click on Menu and then go over to your second tab. And it's the fourth option down, is called Record Media for Movies. So what you want to do, you want to click on that symbol. That symbol there is the symbol for the hard drive, which basically means that if you press the record button, that file, that video will go onto the hard drive and not the SD card. If you've popped an SD card in and you see this symbol, big trouble. Click on the symbol and you'll see three options: hard drive A and B. Now depending on which slot you've popped your SD card into, you want to make sure that you select the right slot. So I've popped mine into A. So there we go, you've now see that it's registered that there's a card inside the camera and that it's only got 22 minutes on the card, so the cards might not be completely fresh from the last person who used it. So you've got to go back to step 1, which is initializing media, but let's go over it now just as we're here. So click on the backwards arrow to confirm your change. You will see that it now says A rather than the hard drive icon. We now need to go into the setup menu and scrolling all the way down as we did in the previous lesson to find the initialize button. We click on that and it will say built-in memory card A. Now we've already erased the built-in memory, so we want to erase everything on that SD card, which is no good to us. So same thing as last time, initialize the card. Going to take a little bit longer this time. Oh no, maybe not. Fantastic. So process completed successfully. We click on OK. To confirm that there's nothing on that card now, we go to our playback menu, which is on the side of the camera, and it says no scenes. That is exactly what we want to see. So I hope that's cleared that one up for you. Here we go, on to the next lesson.